sitting all around the fire and they're all wet because we just did this skip. Saturday after lunch, we did the canoeing this morning. We did the camera, we already lost one in the water. Now we're doing a service project, which we're all just happily working, except Sean, who's coming around. And I'm documenting it right here. Here he is. Everybody else is working, except Sean. We're doing a service project.